What's up, guys? This is your boy coming at you with another Money Made Easy video. Now this one's going to be a little bit different. Instead of showing you guys ways on how to get money and gift cards, I'm going to show you guys how to get some free shoes and free clothes for a whole year from Nike itself, guys. This is Nike product testing. The website is voiceoftheathlete.nike.com. I will put the link in the description for you guys to join. So once you get to the page, just click to apply here. They're going to show you how applying works. Apply to be a tester here. As you can see, you can do it on your cell phone. Get the green light, eligible to test. That's it. It's very simple, guys. This is how the process works. Once you get the green light, accept the test invitation, receive the test in the mailbox. You test the product for a certain period of time, maybe like 3 months. So you figure you get some free shoes to test like every 3 months. That's 3 or 4 times a year. That's free clothes for a whole year from Nike or shoes, right? And you can pick which ones you want, like shoes or clothing, right? Just go to the website and submit the feedback. Let them know what you thought of the product, the wear and tear. Once they get it, they'll check the product, and then they'll send you some more. It's very easy, guys. Very, very easy, right? So you got 3 ways to apply. You can apply right here for yourself as an adult. You can apply as a minor if you're 13 to 17 years old, right? And if you have kids, you can apply for your children 12 years or younger, guys. It's very easy. Once you apply, they'll send you email, application received, and they'll send you emails, separate emails for each one that you apply for. You're allowed to apply for 3 different options. Say Jordans, they had basketball shoes, they had like apparel clothes, they had running shoes, they had women's shoes. They had a lot of different options to choose from. You're allowed to choose up to 3. And then once you're in there, you can go over here. It's like a little dashboard panel. You can go here and read all this stuff and see what they want you to do, and like get on some information. Like you can know the rules, the do's and don'ts. As you can see, very simple, self-explanatory. Just check that out. They'll send you emails in your inbox, and they got the profile information, which I'm not going to click on there because they show my personal information. But that's it, guys. It's very simple and very easy to join. Like I said, I'll just put the link in the website for you guys to sign up. And if you like this, guys, please hit that like button. Also subscribe, because I'm going to post some more videos on how to get some other free clothes and shoes from other companies, right? Also, I'm going to show you tons and tons of ways how to get free money online, 100% free, right? And other easy ways on how to get money, because that's what this channel is all about. It's about money making easy. So please don't forget to like, subscribe. If you got any questions, just comment. And that's really it, guys. Till next time, make some money easy. Peace out.